So this afternoon, we are visiting our earth. All these are invited to join in the experience of God, only at KTV. So your special guest is coming back. She's taller, big, she's lovely, and very bubbly. So come on in, just right here and join our Lala Parade. Okay, let's go. Okay, come on, Lala is coming to you. We have to Marcha. Very good. Okay, Lalajan, say hi to the Pilipinas. Pulpit area. Okay, kids sa pulpit area. Here and right our Lala Parade. Come on. Okay, let's do Lalajan. Moms and daddies are inviting you kids to join our Lala Parade. Okay, come on, Lalajan. Okay, Lalajan, say hi to the kids at the sand area. Okay, how about the child? Toys for the area, come on. Let's gather here and join our Lala Parade. And moms and daddies are inviting you kids to join our activity this afternoon. Okay, come on, let's gather here inside at our event area. Okay, come on kids, come on. Okay, get inside kids, get inside. Okay, come on, gather here, Alekia. How about the others? I'm counting up to 15. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, mga ni. Okay, come on kids, come on, gather their kids. Okay. Nalagay safety, nalagay reminders sa mommies and daddies outside lang tayo sa event area to maximize our event. Okay, nalagay picture taking later mga mommies and daddies. Okay, nalagay picture taking later. Come on, go to kaya. Go to Ate Nico at Ate Sheena dahil. Okay, here. Ito na kami Sheena. Ano ka center. Okay, about the others, come on tayo. Okay kids. Hi! Hello! Okay, reminders ang kabalik ha, mommies and daddies. Outside lang ta sa ato ang event area. Okay, mga ma'am, outside lang ta sa event area, ma'am. Thank you. Very good kayo. Okay, kids. Hi! Hello! Okay, very good, kids. So before we start our activity, let me introduce ourselves. I'm Kuya Andre, your host for today, together with Kuya Nico, Ate Shira, and our special guest, Lala Chan. Say hi to Lala Chan, kids. Hi. Very good. Oh, who wants to hug Lala Chan? Okay, kisa may ganahan mo hug ni Lala Chan, you can hug Lala Chan. Okay, come on, hug ni Lala. Hug. Isa itong ganahan mo hug. Okay, very good. Okay, come on. Okay, oh, papay na kids. Dana. Okay. Lala Chan expressed me that she wants to dance. So, willing mo dance together with Lala? Kailangan mo dance together with Lala? Okay, ayaw mo sit down dila sa railings. Forward dumay kuya, forward. Very good. So, before we start our warm-up dance, let's have a practice ha. Sa ito ang warm-up ha. Okay, follow me, Ate Shira and Lala Chan. Okay, scatter sa gamay kids with. Dili mo mag-igo. Ani ka tumakan kaya, ani ka side kuya. Dili na mas dili. Okay. So, first up, all you need to do is march. Very good. And jump to the right. Ang tail, kuya. Okay, sa pikas. Sa pikas na po. Okay, then, i-shake ang body, i-shake. I-shake. Very good. And next is, side. Isaka ang tail. Okay. Pikas na po, pikas. Very good eh. Yan, ang gamot. Okay, and strong. Pikas. And shake. Shake your body. Okay, and roll your hands, roll. Oh, very good. Okay, ready na mo dan? si Kuya na ready mo dance. How about the others? Ready naman mo dance? Okay, very good. Okay, Kuya Nico, music maestro. Okay, just follow Lala Chan and Ate Shira. March! Come on, march! Okay, follow yun, follow. Yeah. Okay, ang bilog-log Kuya, pagdating. Yeah. Okay, shake it namin, shake. Oh, bigas. Again. Sana. Okay, bilang lagi ka maumos Kuya. Okay, shake. Okay, shake. And Kuya. Ano ang fit? Itong fit, anak. Anak. Atak Kuya. Okay, bigas. Again. Okay, very good Kuya. Ate. Strong. And shake. Again. Okay, shake again. Roll. Roll and march. And jump. Okay, ang fit Kuya. Ano Kuya? Okay, shake. Anak. Okay. Again. Come on, last. Okay, and jump. Very good, kids. Clap your hands. Very good. So I want you to forward. Ayaw mo kaabot nila sa railing. Okay, forward. Okay, so sit down, kids, sit down. Okay. Kinsa may na-idea unsa atong game karon? Kinsa na-idea unsa atong game karon? So walang idea. So just kala sa tahan, raise your hands, raise your hands, two, both hands. And shake your hand, shake Kuya, shake. Shake, okay. Hand sideward na side, sideward and shake, okay. Okay, so our game today is tag of war. So are you familiar with tag of war, kids? Kids, are na familiar sa tag of war? Okay, kuan na siya. Kuan na siya Kuya ha, kanang kuan. Okay. So kuan na siya. Kung saan na siya? Ha? Good, very good ate. Uy, kung saan na siya Kuya? Kuan. Okay. So, all you need to do is pull. Very good. Pull the rope. When Ate Shira pulls it harder and reaches this marker, Ate Shira will be the winner. Very good. When Kuya Nico pulls the rope harder, pull, and reaches the marker, Kuya Nico's team will be the winner. So very good sa kids. Oy, so Ate Shira and Kuya Nico will group you into two groups. So wait ha. Whisper na si Lala Chan. Lala Chan as a safety reminder. Okay, watch the Lala Chan and listen to Kuya. Okay, no fighting, no kicking, no pushing. Just enjoy our game. So nakasabot lang. Dili magsugmagay, dili magpinatiray, o dili magtinokmuray. Okay, sanap na. Okay, si Kuya Nico o si Ate Shira will group you into two groups. Okay, mahina lang karon kay akan si ang Tikas team. Mahina kay akan si Spike. Okay, o ate. Anak, sakto na. Akan si man. O sakto. Kaya mo taas pagsugod Kuya Nico. Taas mo Kuya Nico. Taas pagsugod mo. Taas magsugod mo Kuya Nico and si Ate Shira kay gamay. Okay. Just wait sa kids ha. Wait lang sa. Okay. Ang forward race kids. Okay, very good. Okay. Kinsa may kabaw mo kanta o gabi? Sa matugan karon. Happy birthday. Ha? Dili sa binadugay yan. Ate, magkanta happy birthday ha. Kaya basin na birthday dito ba? At least nakakantahan ito silang happy birthday ha. Birthday na mo kuya? Kung sakto kayo, happy birthday atong kay taon. Okay, manganta happy birthday ha. Patulong sa Boypoy area ha. Lagi mo ka dito Bira-bira, ha? Okay, birthday sa si aming kuya. Okay. Oh, kanta. Okay, makanta ka tanan, ha? Okay, me and Lala will go first, followed by Ate Shira, niya, awahi si Kuya Nico. Okay, mag-train ka, mag-train. Okay, ano kuya? Ay, ano Ate Shira? Okay. Ano, form in line, ha? Ano kuya Ate Shira, ano? Okay. Okay, Kuya Nico, sumpay ka sa likod, Kuya Nico, ha? Okay, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, pas. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, birthday, happy birthday niyo. Okay, sige yan ang kalagsad at kusura ng kalagsad. Okay, step lang sa inyong seat, ha? Ay, di na naman. Inyong Kristo. Hindi na sa inyong okay, sa inyong Kristo kit, ha? Okay, very good. Kuya natin. Okay, don't hold the way, kit, ha? Ayaw sa... Okay, kiss. Okay, line, form one line. Okay. Ito na lang napil, bigay ko napil. Kasi dito natin ito. Go po yan ito ka. Okay, kaya, ginahin ka napil. Ay, napil ha. Ay, ano naman? Ay, napil lang. Napil lang. Okay, ikaw, napil lang. Ay, ano yung tuloy na? Okay, ha? Hands up sabi, hands up. Apil ka, okay. Okay, alay ka dali isa. Ito ka, ate Shira ka, apil ka. Okay, kiss. Hands up. Kiss. Hi. Hello. Okay, hands up sabi, hands up. Okay, Nico spin. Hands up. Okay, very good. And i-shake on your hands. I-shake. Very good. I-shake on my ear. I-shake. Okay, kids. Are you ready? Okay, how about Nico spin? Are you ready, kids? Okay, grab your finger, Nico. Okay, na count of 3, 2. Okay, wait ka ate, ha? Ate sa kanunan. Wait ka ate. Okay, na count of 3, 2, 1. Hello! 15, 14, 13, Okay, stop. Okay, balik sa PC. Okay, kids. Balik sa linya. Ayaw ka discourage. Okay. So we have a second round. Okay. Ang hina ato nga kids. Hi. Hello. Okay, ang hina ato nga round is si Ate Shira's team. Okay, Kuya Nico's team. Let's give a round of applause to Ate Shira's team. Okay, guys, clap hands. Good. Congrats to Ate Shira. So we have our second round na. Mabalik na kita. Okay, kids. Are you ready? Okay, on a count of 3, 2, 1. Pull. Sige, pull. 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11, 13, 14, 17, 10, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grabe dito yung team mo. team. Okay, clap your hands, kids, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good, Kuya Nico. Okay, so we have our last round. So na natin last round up, hindi na itong last round. Muna nila ang final round. Okay, hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up, kids, hands up, kids, hands up. And shake, 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 shake. Okay, ginahawa lang, ginahawa. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Ibutang sa pisik, ibutang sa pisik, ibutang sa pulit lang sa atin, pulit lang. Okay, atin, kuya, pulit lang. In a count of 3, 2, 1. Follow, 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have our winner. Okay. Kuya Nico, natin sila. Kaya tumangan sa sila. Tumangan. Okay, kaya isa kuya. 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 Okay, alam ka dito dito kuya. Okay, next one. Please take other side. Please take other side. Okay. Okay, please take other side. Please take other. Okay. Yan. Okay. Please take yung muna. Okay, okay. Please take yung muna. Okay, mga tanang ko. Isa na yung menu natin natin. Isa yung menu. Sila, very good kuya. So let's give them 5 claps and a good job. Understand? Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Very good. And for Ate Shira's team, let's give 3 claps and a good job to Kuya Nico's team. Okay, let's clap. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, very good kids. I want you to open your line. Form your line kids. Form your line. Okay, form your line. Okay. Muna may nilalatyan ha. Muna sa may nilalatyan. Dito ka. Muna may nilalatyan. Dito ka. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry lang ka. Mabalik ka. Sige, mabandol. Okay, Ate Shira's team. Next, Ate Shira's team. Okay, awahin na si Kuya Nico. Okay. Okay, ikaw lalatyan. Slowly lang kids ha, panabilit ang maulo. Slowly lang kids, slowly. Oops. Okay. Slowly lang kids, slowly lang. Okay. Very good kids ha, very good. Very good tayo, Joe.
Tayo.
Okay, come on. Take me. Get inside here, get inside. Okay, linya. Okay, ada stay lang kate. Stay here. Nah. Okay, face nilalachan, kids, face nilala. Okay, hi. Hello. Hep. Hooray. Hep, very good. Wala may energy. Hep. Hooray. Hi. Very good. Okay. So, sila lachan na ana sa gihum-hum. So, ka na gihum-hum nilalachan. So, ang gihum-hum nilalachan, musayaw na sa taon, balik. Ha? Manayaw taon, balik. Okay, just follow ni Lala Chan. Okay, this is her favorite song. Okay, forward naman kids, forward. Okay, kuya. Come on, follow ni Lala Chan. Follow. Okay, Kuya Nico, music maestro. Okay, follow lang ni Lala Chan. I'm sideward, sabi. I'm sideward. Okay, raise your hands, raise and down. Okay, let's jump, and march. Very good, come on. Okay, march. Okay, again, jump, and march. Very good, kids, again. Okay, sleeping pose, sleep. Okay, very good. Very good, yeah, shake. wave, 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 and stop your shoulders, very good feeling. Head, jump, and sway. Make a circle, circle, circle me, circle. Now, fish, fish kuya. Okay, very good kuya. And march. March yan. Let's jump. And sway. Push it. Okay, other side. Okay, and to the right. Okay, other side. Okay. Bend your knee. And cross it up. Let's go down good, sit around. Very good. Okay, jump. And march. Very good, got that. Okay, and march. Okay, okay, no, kuya. Jump, jump, jump. And march. Clap your hands. Okay, sleeping pose. Okay, very good. And jump. Okay, clap your hands, guys. Clap your hands. Very good. So I want you to forward siya. Forward, forward, forward. Okay, kinsa mo itong ka-birthday? Ikaw ka-birthday kaya? Okay, alik kaya, alik. Okay, wait sa. Manganta na happy birthday ni kuya.
Napa.
Okay, ikaw ate, ka-birthday ka? Ah, wala. Masing lang siya happy birthday ko no. Birthday ni mo kuya? O, dilikod. Okay, what's your name? Birthday ni mo? Birthday sa ni mo? O, alik, alik. Birthday siya, birthday rin. Okay, what's your name kuya?
Jorain.
Ha?
Jorain.
Jorain. Okay, ha? Julian ko no. Buong. Okay, so kids, let's sing a happy birthday to Kuya Jorain. Jorain, no? Okay. Okay, music, music. Okay. Let's sing a happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay. Okay, mag-sing tag happy birthday, ha? Clap your hands up, clap your hands, clap. Clap. Clap your hands. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's sing. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ato ganyan yung baptisan kanina, ha? Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, kuya, pilay mo edad?
8.
Oh, 8. So let's give 8 claps to Kuya Jorain. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's say happy birthday, Kuya Jorain. Understand? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Kuya Jorain. Okay. Kung saan mo ingon nila?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay. Balik sa gusto, kuya. Balik sa gusto. Okay, I want you to sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay, forward kamay. Forward kamay, ate. Forward, forward, forward. Okay. Forward. Okay, Lala Chan has a surprise for you. May surprise sila ka Chan. So let's count 1 up to 3 and shout surprise. Understand? Okay, the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! So our surprise ni Lala Chan is balloon. So raise your hands, babe. Raise your right hand. Right. Right hand. Right. Right, kuya. Right. Ang right. Ang right. Pikas. Pikas. Ana. Okay. Kuya, ate. Right hand, ate. Pikas, ate. Pikas. Pikas na hand. Ana. Okay. Pikas, bibig. Pikas. Okay. Very good. Okay. Just wait lang sa ha. Mommies and daddies, please prepare your camera for our group picture. No. Okay. Ate, ate. Okay, that's yours, ate. Okay. Sige lang, ihatag lang ni ate. Ihatag na lang. Okay, Ano lang yun mo ate, butterfly. Alisa, kamisa. Kamisa, hindi. Kuya, ano na kuya? Forward kamay, ate. Forward kamay, ate. Okay. Kumay Lala Chan. Okay. Okay, mommies and daddies, please prepare your camera for our group picture. Okay, kids, mag-practice at lahat. When Kuya say Kidzuna, you shout, hooray! Kung sa'yo yung shagit? Alright, very good. Practice ha, in a count of 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna. Okay, so mommies, prepare your camera. Okay, kids, in a count of 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Okay, kids, so later sit down sa, sit down. Okay, let's just wait for Lala Chan. Wait alin Lala. Allah, maluway ka billiard no. Ayaw, nagdaan ako yan. Okay, Lala Chan whispers me that she's very happy to see you and play with your kids. So, nakoy pangutana. Kinsa may nakatry og birthday diri sa Kidzuna? Wala. Okay, mommies and daddies, make Kidzuna SMC side become a part of your birthday celebration. You can book Kidzuna SMC side for your birthday parties and spend an afternoon full of fun and excitement. For inquiries, just approach any of our staff and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Okay, kids, let's say goodbye to Lala Chan. Okay, bye-bye Lala Chan. See you next time. And for those who would like to take pictures together with Lala Chan, you can take pictures in front of our bullpen area. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Kuya Jure.